Hello everybody. This is our project in Mechatronics Engineering in Ain Shams University with Professor Ali Rihan and Engineer Mustafa Arafa. We have created a project to work as a mobile assistant to help you monitoring your body. So it has couple sensors and it has a microcontroller and it has functionality to connect to your mobile through a Bluetooth chip. So this is like a kind of connectivity in your mobile, so you can use a mobile application to acquire data from this unit. So we will talk in a brief about the components of this project. So we can disassemble this project, so we can disassemble this part. So this is the cover, and here we have the microcontroller. So this is Arduino Nano, the microcontroller, and we have HC05, which is the Bluetooth connector to your mobile, and this is kind of interface LEDs, and this is a buzzer to give you alarms if there's something wrong or something like that. And this is input out port to the sensors inputs from the sensors, and the outputs to the buzzer and to LEDs and this stuff. So this is the PCB. We have manufactured this PCB manually, and if we can take a look at the back, so these are the tracks for the PCB. Okay. Okay. So and here we have a battery inside here. So there is a battery embedded inside the this case, and this battery is 12 volts battery. So we are using DC chopper to convert the 12 volts into 5 volts because this microcontroller takes just 5 volts. And here we have our sensors. So we have 3 sensors. The first one is LM35, which is the temperature sensor, and this one is used to measure the temperature of the body. And the second sensor is the heart rate sensor or heart pulse sensor, and this sensor is used to measure the pulses of your heart. And we have the third and last sensor, which is DH11. This sensor is used to measure the temperature and humidity of the ambient. So if you are sitting somewhere, so it will tell you the temperature and the humidity of this place. Okay. So now we discussed the components of the project. Let's take a look about the algorithm or the logic, how the project works. So first you will connect your device to your phone, and then you will start to acquire the data. So if something if something bad happened, like for example high temperature or very low temperature or high bit rate, so this embedded system will give you an alarm through this interface, and also the application will give you an alarm. So we're gonna see the functionality of this project in the next video. So thank you.